You guys make sure you stay seated because the train's coming. I know we're far away from it, but I still don't want you guys getting up. Trains are so awesome. This one's moving kind of slow. Honk the horn. Honk the horn. Nice. Thank you. It's the little things in life that entertain us. I was hoping to see some really cool graffiti. I don't see any graffiti on these. Anybody that doesn't know, this is Springfield, Missouri. We got a railroad shipping yard here, so we have trains come through all the time. Yeah, trains come through here constantly. That's why they put this bridge in here. The road used to cross right here, but then they put this bridge in a few years back. This goes right over Chestnut Expressway in Springfield, Missouri. Anyways, the owner of this McDonald's here always has these obscene signs up here. It's funny, he's got Democrats that work for him, and he rotates these billboard signs. A lot of people don't know that he owns this billboard. On the other side, he's got he'll have Back to Blue, or he'll have signs making fun of Democrats and all that, but he has no problem taking Democrats' money when they order food from his restaurant. So this McDonald's here is owned by McGee, along with a lot of other McDonald's in the Springfield area, and the owner he's a bigot. He's a really big bigot. Don't let that fake patriotism fool you. The guy's a freaking Nazi. I know, because I used to work for the company. Anyways, there's 3M here, and then there's the Frisco building is right over here. Guys, stay over here. And I think that's going to be the end of it. I was hoping to see some cool graffiti. No such luck. Anybody know what that sound is? I hear that sound a lot of times by the roadside. And that's the end of it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.